Hello everybody, it's Juliet here, and today I have with me the Potomac Beads Treasure Box for December of 2024, and I'm excited to show you this one. I took a little peek inside, and it's actually what I was kind of hoping we would get last year. So last year we had one that was like Christmas lights and snow, and so it had a whole bunch of colors, and this year I was hoping we'd get a wintery box, and that is exactly what we've got. So I'm extremely excited about that. So, but first of all, for those who don't know what this is a monthly subscription box, and the Potomac Beads offers two types of subscriptions. So there is a kit box, which comes each month with 3 projects and the materials to make them and the instructions. This is the treasure box, which is just a curated collection of beads that goes together. And sometimes we get kind of limited edition or, hard to find beads. So it's really fun, and it's very inspiring every month to just open it up, and it gives you ideas, and it's fun. Anyway, so let's take a quick peeky inside this month's box. And the theme of the box is Arctic Aqua, so you can read about it there, but basically crisp frosty wind and sparkling and sun and winter and icicles and snowflakes. So that's why I'm so excited, because this is really what I was hoping for last year. And here it shows you everything you're getting inside the box. So you can see you get quite a lot of items, and I will just show you a quick little peek inside so you can kind of see like the colors, kind of blues and whites and silvers. Anyway, I'll take everything out and we'll take a closer look. Okay, so here is everything laid out, and isn't this just a beautiful, beautiful color scheme here? I absolutely love it. Okay, so let's start over here. So first of all, we have some Czech glass Lampwork oval beads in a cloud gray color, and these are 12 by 20 millimeters, and they are just so pretty. You can kind of see the shape of them here, so they're kind of 6-sided, but each one is different because they're Lampwork, and they're just gorgeous. I just love this pale kind of bluey, purpley, gray, white color. It's just so pretty. So you get 4 of those. So that's you could either use those in a necklace, or you could make some earrings with them. Okay, then here, these really pretty Czech glass cube beads in a turquoise blue. So they're kind of like rounded squares, and you can see the hole just goes straight down the middle. Okay, and they're really cute. They are 5 millimeter square. Okay, so you get a ton of those, a really big batch of those. Then here we have some 3 millimeter Czech rounds, otherwise known as Druks, just clear. Okay, so those are just round, smooth round beads, 3 millimeter. Here we have some agate, white agate chips, and you get a 15-inch strand, which is really long. So that is really fun. You could really add some texture to something with that, make one of these bracelets with the chips on it, but really pretty. Lots of fun. I haven't really ever seen white. I have so many like I have so many like peridot chips and things, but yeah, that's really pretty. Okay, these I love. These are so cute. These are Czech glass polar bears in an Opal AB color, and they're kind of so cute. So the hole runs up and down. Aren't those just adorable? I think those are so cute. I love them. Very pretty. And they they have that pretty AB shine on them. They look nicer than they look on the screen, but yeah, they are. You can kind of see my camera there, but anyway, yeah, that's them. Very, very, very cute. I love those. And then we also get these cute little gingerbread charms, which are Athena cast charms. They're double-sided, so they can turn around and, you know, you have the same thing on both sides. So you get 2 of those, which are really cute. And then we have these Czech glass crystal snowflake beads, which I absolutely adore. How cute are these? I mean, these are so, so pretty. I love them. I would guess they're about 8 millimeters. It doesn't say on the packet, but they look 8 millimeters to me, but they are flat and yeah, they're really, really cute. So I love those. Okay, then next we're getting a cabochon. So this is a Snowflake Cabochon Czech glass, and it's a blue frost color, and it's just a snowflake, so it's smooth on the back. But isn't that pretty? I can't wait to make a project using this stuff. Okay, next we're getting some 3 millimeter faceted Czech rounds, also known as Firepolished beads. Just some clear ones, but they're super sparkly with their facets, as you can see here. So that is really fun. Then we're getting some spike beads. So these are Aqua Opal spike beads, and they are 5 millimeters at the widest point at the bottom, and they're 13 millimeters long. But these are really, really fun. I love these. These are like icicles or something. So you get quite a good number of those, as you can see there on my mat. And that one's jumping over into the bibos. So next here we have some bibo beads. These are light sapphire. So bibos are 2-hole beads, and they're a little bit wider at one end, like in the ends, than they are in the middle. They're kind of like a bow tie, is what I kind of compare them to. And you get an absolute ton of those. So a really big pile of those. And I do like bibos. I've used them a few times in various videos on this channel. Okay, these are gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. These are some Potomac crystal bicones in blue flare color. So they're a kind of pale gray blue, and they have it looks like they have like a shiny coating on them to give off, I think that might be the blue flare. I think they're clear, and they have this coating on them that just like a luster that just makes them shine even more. But these are 4 millimeter, and they're just gorgeous. I absolutely love those. And you get, again, a really good number of those. As you can see, quite a big pile there. Okay. Then again, we have some Stormduos, and these are white baby blue luster. And you're getting a pack of, it says a pack of 80. So I'm not sure if that's correct, but it's a lot. Stormduos are so much fun. Great for snowflakes because of the shape of them. So they're 2-hole beads, and they kind of, well, you can see the shape there, and they're reversible. So you can kind of put them together and make flowers like this. Or anyway, it's a very pretty kind of bluish gray color, and I love those. Love, love, love. Okay. And as always, we get a tube of seed beads, and today we're getting some Sky Blue Ceylon 80 Miyuki seed beads. Gorgeous color. Really, really pretty. And then we get some findings. So this month we are getting some eye pins, which is really useful because I could use some eye pins actually. I never have any. Okay, so yeah, just some silver plated 2-inch eye pins, and you know, they're nice ones. You get 36 of those. This I could not find on my inventory list, so I don't know if everybody's getting this, but a filigree laser cut ornament, snowflake ornament. So very cute. You could paint it, or you could bead around it, or you know, just leave it like that. Put a pretty bow at the top and stick it on your tree if you have a rustic kind of thing, or yeah, it's cute. Or use it as a little tag on a gift, you know. And then the very last thing we're getting are some thread tamers for dragon thread. Now, for those who don't know, dragon thread spools are, even though they're the same length as, say, a fire line, you get 50 meters in each. The spools are much, much smaller, which is what I like because it's way less wasteful. You can see how much smaller they are. Because you really don't need all of this for, you know, 50 yards. And this is actually 50 meters, so it's even longer. So these just go around it, like you can see here. I have my thread sticking out this hole, and they kind of keep your thread from falling off your spool. So that's what those are for. So you get a pack of 5 of those, which is 1, 2, yeah, I think it's 5. Which is good if you are a dragon thread user. And if you're not a dragon thread user, I highly recommend you go and check it out. I have found that some of them, like this smoke, is larger, even though these are both size 6. So not all the spools are smaller, but anyway, yeah. So that is this box, and I absolutely love this box. I think this might be my favorite one of the whole year. So well done to the Potomac Beads team for this box. Okay, you guys, I will put details down below if you want to find out more about getting the box or subscribing, maybe a great gift idea for next year. And I will also look on the website, and anything that they do sell individually, I will put links for that down below if you saw something that you really wanted, okay? All right, guys, take care. I will see you soon for another video. Bye for now.